Stop waiting for the perfect AI assistant. Here's how you can build your own, tailored to your exact needs, today. First, the brain. This is the large language model that will power your assistant. You can use OpenAI's GPT-4, Anthropic's Claude, or Google's Gemini. The key is to get an API key which gives you direct access to the model. This is the foundation of your personal AI. Second, the body. This is where you connect your AI to your digital life. Using a tool like Zapier or Make, you can link your AI to your email, calendar, to-do list, and more. This allows your assistant to read your emails, schedule meetings, and manage your tasks. It's no longer just a chatbot, it's an active participant in your life. Third, the voice. You can give your assistant a custom personality and instructions. Tell it how you want it to respond, what tone to use, and what its goals are. You can even give it a name. This is what makes it your personal assistant, not just a generic AI. You don't need to be a coder to build your own AI assistant. With no-code tools, anyone can do it. Start today. Connect your AI to one app. See what's possible. Subscribe for more on building your own AI.